Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to use icharts, which is a free graphing program available. First, we're going to have to create an account. So there is a free trial available. So we're going to click right here. You fill in all your information right here to create an account. Once you hit continue, then you will be sent an email and click on the link in the email to be able to activate your account. I'm going to log in over here. Now, the free trial doesn't offer every single feature that the regular version does, but it does have quite a bit. So when you first log on, it can prompt you to go through a tutorial, which we won't watch right now, but you're welcome to view that on your own time if the tutorial is not enough for you. Now there's two options to create graphs on this program. We can either directly input the data or we can upload an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to be showing you how to do both of those things, but first I'm going to show you how to just directly manually put in the data yourself. So we're going to click right up here. It says load data set. Right here at the bottom when it says add data manually. The first chart that's going to pop up is going to be a bar graph, but you can change that later. It's not permanent. So let's see, for our first, we're going to do favorite colors. I'm just going to make up some points here to use. We'll do red, blue, and yellow. All right, so once you have that all put in, you hit save. We're going to save this data set. I'm going to save it as test 1. Yes, we would like to save it. We're going to save the chart as well. We'll also call that test 1. Saving that. Okay, so now we are going to edit our chart. So like I said, the graph that's going to give you is going to be a bar graph, but if you go right here on the right hand side to chart type, there's all these different ones available. It's column, a pie chart, a line. So it's really up to you and what kind of data you're using. For this one, we're going to do a column chart. There's a bunch of different options, and the great thing about icharts is that you can customize. So by actually clicking directly on the chart, we're going to change the chart title. Let's see, I'm going to change that to students. Now, if we go over here to templates, there are some pre-made templates available. If you choose to use that, you can also just do it completely on your own by the different features available. So this template includes a grid, it uses the color blue, there's lots of different stuff available. You can apply just the template, you can apply the template colors, really anything you want to do to this graph. So we can also edit the graph. So say I chose this template, but I want to change some stuff about it. So we're going to go under format, and there's lots of things you can change. There's the x-axis, I want to change the color of that. Let me get red. The y-axis, I can change everything around here. We're going to see the background, color. Let's change it. I'm just going to start picking some stuff just to show you. So all under this formatting is many, many things you can do to change your graph. So there's a lot of things, and like I said, this is the free version, so not everything is going to be available. So under data series, there's not much you can do there. Options, there's some stuff blocked off. If it's in that light gray color, it's going to be because it comes with the full version and we're using the free. We can still go back and change our chart if we wanted to. I'm going to keep it on column though. Now say you created this graph and there's more data sets you want to add. So we go up here to data, view data. So this is the same screen that we had before. So I'm going to add some more colors. Let's do green, and let's see, we'll do 5 of those, and let's do orange. The good thing about icharts is that it's going to update it automatically for you as long as you save this data set. So as you can see, we're going to exit out of here. It added those 2 new points for us. If we go over to line, it added them in all of them. So nothing's really permanent. Once you create your graph, you can keep changing it and keep adding and really change it up a bit. So once you're completely done with your graph, you can save it and publish it to a website. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Under here, publish, add to website. It's going to prompt you to save it. So we're going to click public graph. And there's really anything you want to add in here. I'm just going to add a short description. If you want to add your name to it, that's fine. So we hit publish, and it will give you a URL right here, and it will give you an embedding code if you want to put it on a wiki or on a blog or anything like that. So now that I've showed you how to create a graph from beginning to end, we are going to go back and I'm going to show you how to upload from an Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to go up here and we're going to load data set, and this time we're going to use Excel. I already have an Excel made up. This one I chose pets and students who have those pets. It's important to notice that you have to have the categories right here at the top, or else it won't upload correctly into icharts. So let's go back to this. All right, so it says load Excel spreadsheet from your desktop. You're going to choose your file. Leave it on dot based right here, and then load data set. All right, so it says loaded successfully, which is great. So now we create new charts with this data set. And it's going to automatically upload it, and we can edit it just like we did on the previous graph. So see, it has everything on here already. You can change your title and then edit it just like we did on that first graph. So I hope you found this informative on how to use icharts. I really think it's a great program, especially when teaching students on how to make graphs and the different types of graphs. So thank you for listening, and until next time.